Looking for an alternative for Kofax Express? Let me show you why Klippa DocHorizon is the modern choice for document automation. If you've been using desktop-based capture tools, you'll know the limits. Tied to local servers, stuck in scanning-only workflows, and needing IT just to make changes. Klippa DocHorizon leaves those constraints behind with AI-powered data extraction, real-time integration, and a clean web-based interface accessible anywhere. Kofax Express is built for batch scanning, but Klippa is a full intelligent document processing platform. That means extraction, classification, validation, and workflow automation for structured, semi-structured, and unstructured documents all in one system. Forget brittle zonal OCR. Klippa's AI and LLM-powered OCR adapts automatically to new layouts and formats without manual configuration every time the design changes. Klippa's cloud-native architecture scales instantly with demand, elastic growth without infrastructure headaches. Klippa is API first, connecting with ERP, RPA, SaaS, and even LLM workflows in real time. So documents don't just get captured, they're instantly processed and pushed into your business systems. No more old-fashioned desktop clients. Klippa's web-based interface is modern, intuitive, and gives business users the power to configure and adapt their own workflows. Klippa supports AP, HR, KYC, contracts, receipts, onboarding, and more, all from the same platform. With Klippa's low-code flow builder, you can design and adapt processes with minimal IT involvement. And with continuous AI-first updates, you get fraud detection, compliance tools, and feature releases on a regular basis. So if you're searching for an alternative for Kofax Express that goes beyond desktop scanning, Klippa DocHorizon delivers a future-ready, enterprise-wide automation platform. AI-powered extraction, elastic scaling, seamless integrations, all with a modern UX and continuous innovation. Click the link in the description below to book your free demo today. Like this video if it was helpful and subscribe for more practical AI workflow tips.